Right now, we are following this big breaking news story. Murder suspect Fotis Dulos is still in critical condition after trying to kill himself yesterday. Dulos is charged with kidnapping and killing his estranged wife, Jennifer, last May. That was the last time anyone heard from her. Dulos is now at Jacobi Medical Center in the Bronx. He is being treated on and off in a hyperbaric chamber. Doctors now say he could be suffering some kind of permanent damage, and his lawyer, Norm Pattis, did not have much more to say on that.
So the situation is grim.
Now, his attorney there was in a Stamford court today for an emergency bond hearing. For more on that, we're joined now by Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino. Mike has more details on what happened today. Mike.
Yes, Mark, Pattis also in that press conference was saying that if Dulos' bond had been revoked, that really could have created some complications for Dulos, particularly while he's in the hospital. So instead, Dulos will be rearrested if he is released from the hospital.
Candidly, his medical condition is dire, and we look forward to the opportunity to have that fight. And obviously, he's in our prayers.
Fotis Dulos remains in critical condition in a New York City hospital. Dulos apparently attempted suicide yesterday while he was supposed to be in court for an emergency bond hearing. He's accused of murdering his wife, who's been missing since May. Today, a judge said that he is to be rearrested if he's released from a hospital. Dulos will then be held on a bond of $500,000. His lawyer, Norm Pattis, didn't want to speculate on Dulos' motivations, but Pattis did say he has his own questions.
I saw nothing that led me to believe that, and so I look back and wonder what I missed.
Dulos is still being held at the Jacobi Medical Center in the Bronx. Pattis says today's ruling is an agreement between he and prosecutors. Pattis also says this ruling will allow Dulos' family to visit him in the hospital, something that might not happen if bond was revoked.
We're trying to maintain access to him and his family at this very critical time.
Now, if Dulos is arrested, they could then have a bond hearing over whether or not the bond should be raised. At that time, Norm Pattis has also lined up high-profile bail bondsman Ira Judelson from New York. Eyewitness News has also learned this afternoon that state police have obtained another search warrant for Dulos' Farmington home. They're not saying what they're searching for, but they did apply for this search warrant after yesterday's apparent suicide attempt. Live from the newsroom, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.